Hi. You think you can walk? Jace. Jace. Hi. Do you think you can walk? Huh? Come here. Come see Mommy. Come see Mommy. Jace. Come get your toy. Come get your toy. Come get him. Come get him. Come here. Jace. Oh. No. You want help? Do you want help? You can come do it. You can get down by yourself. Come get your toys. Jace. You want Mommy to help you? Okay, come here. Come here. Now go get your toys. Go get your toys. I thought you were going to get your toys. No? You just want to stand?
She must rely on the kindness of other friends in Newberry Springs. She could stay at my house for a couple of weeks or something like that. She might upstairs kids and have to get back to her to go do stop her leave. But according to Gloria Denton, her daughter stopped staying at Steve's house not because the timing was right.
I'll help you. Here.